Today I'll show you how to make one of my very favorite soups, and I think it'll become a favorite of yours too. It's shrimp bisque, and I've started by taking the shells from 1.25 pounds of shrimp, and I'm sauteing them in butter, and once they begin to brown, I will add 1/2 cup of white wine and let it boil until the liquid evaporates. Now I'm going to add 2 quarts of water to the shells along with a bay leaf and let that simmer for about 20 minutes. I've got some more butter in another pot, and I will cook the shrimp until they're just cooked through. Okay, remove the shrimp to a bowl and then add some more butter to the pot, and then cook carrots, celery, and onions until they're softened. Now add a couple of tablespoons of rice, that'll help thicken it, and some tomato paste, along with about a pinch of cayenne and some salt and pepper. All right, strain your shrimp stock into a bowl, then add it to the pot and simmer it covered until the rice is tender. Okay, set aside some of the shrimp and then add the rest to the soup, and then puree it in small batches in a blender or food processor. Strain that into another pot, add some cream, stir it in there, and cook over low heat. Finally, add some lemon juice and a dash of sherry. Add the reserved shrimp to the soup and some freshly chopped chives for garnish. Get the recipe on the website or write to me here at the station. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy.